Welcome to Best.js tutorial. In today's lecture, we will discuss about how to georeference a map in JS software. So go to software. This is the window display of the JS software. Here is the option of add data tool. Click on this and add the data which we want to georeference. This is the map. I want to georefer this map in JS software. So load the image and click on add button. OK on this box. There are two types of georeferencing in JS software. One which is called image to image georeferencing, also known master sleeve command. The second one is georeferencing with the help of by adding coordinates xy value to the map. In this tutorial, we will show you simply how to georeference a map by adding a coordinates point. So to start georeferencing, first we go to this tool which is known as add control point tool. We pick this tool. We will add minimum 4 control point to this map. If we add more control point to the map will more accurately georeference. So start georeferencing, click on this control point and zoom the intersection point of latitudinal and longitudinal line. Hold the Z button on keyboard. I zoom this corner. These lines are known as longitudinal lines and these are known as latitudinal lines. So I click first left click here. This is the intersection point of latitudinal and longitudinal line. First left click and again right click on this, then add on input x and y values. So click on this. Here the x value is 69 which I add here, and the y value which is 36 will add here. OK, this dialog box. The one control point is add to the map. If we want to see it, hold the X key and zoom out the map. Here we add first control point to the map. Now by the same process we add another control point to the map. This is the intersection point of latitudinal and longitudinal line. So add another point here. Longitude is 69 and latitude is 31. Click OK. So the map is disappear from the display. We can add again by here. Go to the table of content and right click on this image and zoom to layer. When I click on this zoom to layer, the map will appear again. This is appear. So I add the third control point to the map. Zoom it. Here is the intersectional line. 74 and 31. Okay, zoom up to extent, in which we clearly seen the intersection line of latitudinal and longitudinal value. Click on it. By the same way, we can add the fourth control point to the map. Now here the map, we add minimum 4 control point to this map. First point is that, second one is that, third one is that, and fourth one is that. Now if we want to see the accuracy or the error in this adding control point, we will check here and view table link. In view table link, there are 4 control points which we add to this map. These are our points and these are the residual, which is accuracy. The accuracy error is less than 1, it means we georefer it perfectly. Now close this dialog box and go to the georeferencing tool and click on this and rectify a map. We will save our map in another format, which is georeferred. Here give the name to the map. I give this name for understanding. Select the format which is already selected, the TIFF format, which is the extension of georeferencing of the software, GIS software. Here we can select output location for the map where we want to save our maps. Here we will select location for the map. Let's suppose I want to save here. Add this location and save the map. Here go to add data. I give the name map ABC. So I add this map to the software. In table of content, both the map are appear. So if I uncheck this georefer map, this is our georefer map which we georeference and save and TIFF format. The original image which we upload for georeferencing, that was in JPG format. So compare both the maps, we can see the results. Here the accuracy, which is almost negligible, which is less than 1, it means we georefer it with accuracy. I hope you will understand this method of georeferencing, and next lecture we will discuss about the another way of georeferencing. If you can't understand any step of georeferencing in this lecture, then type a message in comment section. I will help you. Thank you.